In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add labor costs in CostMiner. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to enter, and how the platform calculates your totals so your estimate stays accurate and consistent. Start by opening your project in CostMiner. This ensures you're working with the right scope, quantities, and context. Then head to the Estimate or Bill of Quantities section. This is where your items live and where you structure costs against measurable work, so it's the best place to add labor for a clear, traceable estimate. Select the item you want to price. If the item doesn't exist yet, create it first so your labor is tied to the correct line. Keeping items specific and well named makes tracking and reporting smoother later. With the item highlighted, choose Edit Item or Cost Breakdown. Depending on your interface, you'll see either option, but both lead to the detailed view where you can add cost components. In the editor, look for the area labeled Labor, Manpower, or Resources. This section is dedicated to people-based costs. Click Add Labor. You're now ready to define the details that drive the calculation. Enter the labor type, such as carpenter, mason, or electrician. Use clear, consistent names so your team understands what's included. Next, choose the unit that matches how you plan and pay for that work: hour, day, or man day. Make sure your unit aligns with your rate basis. For example, if your cost is per hour, pick hour. If you price by day, pick day. If your organization treats a man day as a set number of hours, confirm that standard so your quantities translate correctly. Now add the rate, such as a cost per hour or per day. Use the fully burdened rate if your estimate requires it, including allowances like benefits and overhead. Then enter the quantity or productivity. If you know the hours required, enter that directly as quantity. If you're working from productivity, ensure it converts into a quantity that matches your chosen unit. For example, if a task needs 16 labor hours and your unit is man day at 8 hours per day, that equals 2 man days. Click Save or Apply. CostMiner will automatically calculate labor cost for rate x quantity and roll it into the item total and your BOQ. If the result looks off, double check that the unit and rate match and that your quantity aligns with your standard workday. You can revisit and adjust labor anytime via Edit Item, and CostMiner will recalculate instantly. That's all you need to accurately add labor costs in CostMiner.